Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they'll try to catch them unawares.
Let's look at my list of things to do today. Have a nap, eat some lunch, have another nap. Oh, cheese and whiskers. So many things to do. Where do I begin?
Hello? 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 Hello?
I hear a hello, but I don't see anyone saying hello. What's going on?
Hello? Hello?
Who's making those echoes?
Well, that's what I'd like to know.
It sounded like...
I'm B1. I'm B2.
The bananas!
This is Pyjama-rific.
There they are.
Bananas? What's the meaning of all this shouting? Oh, cheese and whiskers.
If you stand under here, Rat, you can make great echoes, Teddies.
We can hear the echoes, bananas.
Everyone can hear them.
They're very loud and very noisy.
We're sorry. We didn't know. We didn't mean to upset everyone.
From now on, we'll be as quiet as we can.
Something's wrong, B2. My throat is very sore.
So's mine, B1. And our voices sound all funny.
Oh, dear. You'd better come straight home with us. Sip it slowly, bananas. It's very hot. That hot lemon drink will help your sore throats. All that shouting made them sore.
And made your voices go all squeaky.
No, bananas. Don't talk. You've got to give your voices a rest. So no speaking till they're better.
We don't understand, B1.
Oh, you'd like more lemon drink? Certainly. It's going to be hard for you not to talk, bananas. But if you rest your throats, your voices will come back quickly.
There might be another way for the bananas to talk. You don't have to talk to talk.
What do you mean, Morgan?
See those birds? They talk to each other, but they don't talk like us. Maybe the bananas could find a new way to talk.
It looks like the bananas like your idea, Morgan. Let's just hope we like the idea too.
Dear, I'm so behind in my list of things to do. I hardly started my first nap. I'll just roll up my sleeves, hop to it, and get stuck in. Here I go. Bananas? Honking? Honking bananas? What are you doing, bananas? Yes, I can hear the honks, but what are the honks for? Oh, There's something wrong with your throats. And you can't talk. So you're going to honk instead. But Bananas, you can't be serious. Oh, cheese and whiskers. This will never do.
Would you like one of my honey cakes, Camembert?
Yes, please, Dolly. They do look delicious today. Actually, they look delicious every day.
Thank you. I'll have one myself.
Look there, it's the bananas.
Good morning, Bananas.
Well, I never.
Ever.
Thank you for helping me wash these windows, Topsy.
My pleasure, Bernard. Hey, there's the bananas.
Good morning, Bananas. Oh, my.
Bananas?
They did what, Bernard? They honked. We'll talk to the bananas about it right away.
Hello?
Really, Dolly? The bananas startled you? And you too, Camembert? Okay, we'll see the bananas as soon as we can.
Understood. Thanks, Rat. Don't worry. We know all about it, and we'll be talking to the bananas.
Is this our fault? We did suggest that the bananas find a new way to talk.
But I never thought it would be honking.
Now, where are the bananas? Let's listen.
I hear honking.
Follow the honks. Bananas! Wait!
There's something we need to tell you.
Oh! Yes, it is a lovely day, but you see...
And it is a great time for a walk, but what you don't know is...
But Bananas, we want to talk to you.
The bananas won't listen because they're too busy honking.
Maybe they'd listen if we were honking too.
That's it, Morgan. We'll talk to them with honks.
But what can we honk?
Let's see Bernard. He's sure to have something.
You, want things that honk?
So we can talk to the bananas in honks.
I think I have what you want in my storeroom. You see, I used to be in a marching band.
Wow!
Honk, 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 honk. We're the honking bananas today. Honk, 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 honk. It's our new way to say hip hooray. We honk here, we honk there. In Cardlestown we're honking everywhere. Standing up, lying down, or sitting in a great big comfy chair. Honk, 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 honk. We're the honking bananas today. Honk, 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 honk. It's our new way to say hip hooray. We love the funny sounds we make whenever we go walking. It's better than a honey cake, this great new way of talking.
You might not listen to us talking, bananas.
So we're going to honk.
What do you think of this honk?
And this is an even bigger honk.
And here's a honk even bigger than that honk.
And a honk all together?
What a honk!
That was the biggest honk that's ever been honked!
We can talk,
And we don't sound squeaky!
and our throats aren't sore. Pyjama-rific!
It's like we said. You just had to rest your voices and you'd soon be better.
And the honking? Do you still want to honk?
Now that we can talk, we don't have to honk anymore.
Everyone will be happy about that.
And we won't make our throats sore again either!
Because it's too hard to make big echoes with just us. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1!
What if there were more people than just us? It's echo time! Ready?
Ready, B1?
Right, everyone, get set for the biggest Cuddlestown echo ever.
And the very last Cuddlestown echo ever.
Right, Lulu?
So let's make it good!
Banana-tastic! Tastic!
Oh, bananas! Bananas!
What a beautiful day, B2.
A very beautiful day, B1.
Hello, Pedro.
Isn't it a great day?
What a big sigh, B2.
A big sad sigh, B1.
Is something wrong, Pedro?
It's my mud.
Your mud?
What's wrong with it?
It looks like the same old mud to us.
That's what's wrong with it. It's the same old mud. It's the same mud as yesterday and the day before that. And you know what it's going to be like tomorrow?
No.
Exactly the same as always.
We know what you mean, Pedro.
If you have the same thing every day, it can get a little boring.
Like when we had green jelly for lunch every day.
But then we changed to red jelly.
And then yellow jelly.
And now lunch is never boring.
That's jelly, bananas. I'm talking mud here.
Maybe what works for jelly can work for mud too.
You should find some new mud, Pedro.
New mud?
Yes, there's lots of mud out there. All of it ready for you to roll about in.
You just have to look.
You're right, bananas. It's new mud for me. Will you help me find some?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Find Mud for Pedro time! There's lots of mud here at the lake.
And there's different types of mud too.
There's some bubbly mud.
There's some really thick mud.
That's great mud for mud pies.
And there's very slippery mud.
I want mud I've never seen. A special mud. The best mud in the whole world.
We don't know anything about special mud, Pedro.
We don't even know what the best mud in the world looks like.
I know what it looks like. It's here. This looks brilliant. Whee! Oh, you lovely mud. Pedro is here.
But what about this rope around it?
Maybe we're not supposed to touch this mud.
This is the mud that dreams are made of.
Pedro's a happy pig again.
And we're happy that he's happy.
Hello, bananas.
Hello, Teddies. Have we got a story to tell you?
And it's all about mud.
We have something to tell you first.
About that cement down in the park.
No one is to touch it until it dries.
We're going to put a new swing on it.
Cement? Isn't it that stuff you mix with water?
And it looks like mud.
Is something wrong, Bananas?
If someone sat in the cement and it got hard...
Would they get stuck?
Probably. Why?
Oh no! Pedro! Pedro!
Huh?
Get out of the mud as fast as you can!
That mud isn't mud.
What are you talking about, Bananas? This mud is the best mud I've ever rolled in. Just look at this. Huh? I can't roll.
Can you move at all, Pedro?
Try standing up.
I can't move. How can I get unstuck?
Never fear, Pedro. Rat is here. Now, take hold of his arms, Bananas.
Yes, Rat.
Now, give him a good pull. The full heave-ho.
Full heave-ho it is.
1, 2, heave-ho, Bananas.
Heave-ho!
Oh, stop, Bananas! Stop with the heave-ho! It's no good.
With lots of soap.
Soap? Ugh.
It'll be okay, Pedro. It'll be like taking a bath.
A bath? Ugh.
We need buckets.
All the buckets we have.
Got them!
I don't like soap. I like muddy.
I think we've soaped you up enough, Pedro. You won't get any more slippery than this.
Try and pull Pedro out again, Bananas.
I think there could be a problem here.
Set.
What problem, Charlie?
Heave-ho!
That problem.
Oh, cheese and whiskers.
Sorry, Rat.
Pedro is now too slippery to grab hold of.
What else can we try?
We could crack the cement around Pedro with a great big hammer.
A hammer? Oh.
Maybe we need something gentler, Charlie.
You could be right, Amy. Yes. Extraordinary. Fascinating.
Shh. Charlie's thinking.
I think I have it. We'll free Pedro with bouncing.
Bouncing?
Bouncing. Come with me, Bananas. I need your help.
We're right behind you, Charlie.
They should be here somewhere. Aha! Here we are. My electric pogo sticks. I call them bouncer-bots.
Banana-tastic.
If we bounce around Pedro with the bouncer-bots, the force will gently push him up, like a cork coming out of a bottle, and Pedro will be free.
What a terrific idea, Charlie.
It might just work.
Will it be safe?
It should be very safe.
Absolutely safe. Trust me, I'm a rat. But just in case. Ready when you are?
Get the bouncer-bots ready, Bananas.
Ready?
Start, bouncer-bots. Now.
Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey! Oh, look at me!
It's working. Pedro's coming out.
Oh, my.
Whee! I'm free! And I've landed in some mud!
Should they be going that fast, Charlie?
No, they shouldn't. Bananas, you must press the emergency stop button. It's the blue button. But don't press the red button.
Got it, Charlie!
Press the red button.
No, no. to worry. I did plan for something like this.
I don't like the look of this, B2!
What bounces up must also bounce down, Bebo!
We've got parachutes!
Whee!
This is fantastic mud. Maybe the best mud ever.
Hello, Pedro!
It's great to see you out of that cement.
Thanks to you, Bananas.
Is everyone okay?
We're pajama-rific!
What about you, Pedro?
Great! Look at this mud. It's the perfect mud I've been looking for. It's brilliant.
But Pedro, don't you know where you are?
It's my home. The perfect mud was here all the time.
There's no mud like home mud.
Bananas, you're right.
Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. Course on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Oh, I found it! I found it! Whoa!
What have you found, Rat?
An old letter written by my great-great-uncle Nat the rat. It's the first clue to the big cheese.
The big cheese?
The big cheese!
What's the big cheese?
Gather around, for I will tell you a tale of a great nugget of golden cheese. It all happened during the Great Cheese Rush. Everyone was digging for cheese in those olden days. That's when Nat the rat struck it rich. He hits a huge nugget of pure cheese. The big cheese. Uncle Nat gathered up the big cheese and took it away. He then hid the big cheese, no one knows where, until now.
Banana-tastic!
But Rat, we've looked for things like treasure before.
We've never found anything.
And cheese is made from milk. You don't find it in the ground.
Oh, no, Lulu. You're talking about ordinary cheese. The big cheese is special. If all the smiles in the world could be rolled into one big yellow delicious ball, that would be the big cheese.
Ooh!
Will you help me find it, Bananas?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Find the Big Cheese time! Where do we start, Rat?
We start right here, because my great-great-uncle drew a map.
A map?
You've got to follow this trail to the spot marked X.
Let's get going, because it looks like we've got a big walk around Cuddlestown.
You're right, Bananas. If you follow this map, you will have to go all around Cuddlestown, which is very, very useful.
Why's that, Rat?
I'll show you. I have all these parcels that need to be delivered. You can deliver them while you follow the map.
No problem, Rat. We can do that.
I know I can depend on you, Bananas. Good luck.
Aren't you coming too, Rat?
Oh, I'd love to help you, Bananas, but all this excitement has left me quite exhausted. Oh, I'm a tired rat.
Then you have a good rest, Rat.
And leave everything to us.
We'll find the big cheese.
And make these deliveries too.
To the big cheese!
The trail on the map goes right past Bernard's home.
And we have a package for Bernard.
That's so lucky. Where to now?
We have to follow the trail to the Teddy's house.
And we've got packages for the Teddies too.
Amazing!
Hello, Teddies.
We've got packages for all of you.
Thanks, Bananas.
We were coming to see you. Have you found the big cheese?
We're looking for it right now.
And delivering packages too.
Because the trail to the big cheese goes all around Cuddlestown.
Oh, you're right. How very, very useful.
That's exactly what Rat said.
Where is Rat?
Poor Rat was very tired, so he's having a rest.
We'd better get going.
We've got a big cheese to find.
And a package to deliver to Topsy.
Finding a big cheese and delivering mail too? Does that sound right?
I smell a rat. A tricky, tricky rat in the hat.
Gosh, we're so lucky to find it.
Very, very lucky.
Now we just have to dig.
If only we had some spades.
Look, B2.
Spades, B1.
We've been lucky again.
It's like someone put the spades here just for us.
How deep do we go, B2?
Until we find the treasure, B1. The big cheese!
This doesn't look like the big cheese.
What could it be?
We'd better show this to Rat.
He'll know what it is. Rat! Rat!
So how did you get on, Bananas?
We didn't find the big cheese.
But we did find this.
Oh, there's something inside. Let me just open it.
What's that?
It's a letter. Another letter from my great-great-uncle Nat the Rat.
Banana-tastic.
It says you've passed the first test to find the big cheese. Tomorrow you must follow a trail on this new map. And the big cheese will be yours.
Pyjama-rific!
This trail goes around Cuddlestown too, but in a different way.
So it does. And you know what? This is very, very useful again, Bananas.
How come, Rat?
Because when you follow the track tomorrow, you can deliver even more parcels.
And would you come with us tomorrow, Rat?
Me? Oh, I so wish I could, Bananas. But all this excitement is just too much for me. Sadly, I'm afraid I'll have to rest again.
Poor Rat.
I know. I'll miss all the fun and just stay here and be miserable.
We'll be here first thing tomorrow.
Thanks so much, Rat.
My pleasure, Bananas. Bye-bye. I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a tricky, tricky rat.
We know what you're doing, Rat.
Oh, Teddies. So nice to see you.
You've tricked the bananas into delivering parcels for you.
By making them think they're looking for the big cheese.
I'm a rat. I'm a rat. I'm a very sorry rat.
We'll start looking for the big cheese again tomorrow, B2.
Right now, we should fill up that hole we dug, B1.
Or else someone could fall into it.
Whoa!
Bananas!
Are you all right?
No harm done.
What brings you all here?
Rat has something to say to you.
I'm very sorry, Bananas. Those maps to the big cheese were just a trick to get you to deliver mail for me.
A trick?
And nothing but a trick? You know I can't help myself. I'm a tricky, tricky rat, you know.
But what about the big cheese?
Oh, that. Nat the Rat did tell a silly story that he made a great big cheese, but no one's ever found it.
B1, what's this?
I don't know.
It's an old bottle with a letter.
May I look at that? Cheese and whiskers. This is a real letter from Nat the Rat. with the clues to the big cheese.
Is this another trick, Rat?
I swear it isn't. Honestly, this is real. Really real. Who's with me to find the big cheese?
We're with you, Rat.
What are we waiting for? Let's find ourselves a big cheese.
Follow me.
Through the park and down the street, and everything beneath our feet. No stone unturned, no place unchecked. We're bound to find it where we least expect. Off we go, we're on our way, We hope to find a treasure trove today. We seek it here, we seek it there, There'll be no rest till we search everywhere.
Why have we come back to your shop, Rat?
Because that's where the map says we should go.
So the big cheese must be here.
Impossible.
Let me look at that last clue. Under it you will find the big cheese? What's under your shop, Rat?
I didn't think there was anything under it.
Help me pull this rug away, Bananas.
A door!
There is something under your shop, Rat. A cellar.
Cheese and whiskers.
Could someone please... Ah!
Find the light! Oh!
So we can stop...
Bumping into each other.
I've got it!
There's nothing here. And definitely no big cheese.
What's this?
Well, it's a crumb of cheese. Well, that can't be the big cheese. It's meant to be, you know, big.
Hold on. Here's a note from Nat the Rat. He says he hid the big cheese here, but he nibbled it year after year until it was just a crumb.
Alas, big cheese, I never got to know you. We would have been friends. I'm sure of it.
What will you do now, Rat?
There's only one thing to do with cheese. Eat it! Oh, it wasn't big, but it was delicious.
Oh, you rat in the hat!
Hello?
Charlie!
We're here!
To see your new invention.
But if you're not here,
We'll just wait until you are.
could this be Charlie's new invention, B2?
It could be B1.
Or maybe it's that.
It does look new.
Perhaps it's this floating honey cake.
He's never invented a floating honey cake before.
A floating honey cake? Banana-tastic! We better not touch it, B2.
We better not touch anything, B1.
The floating honey cake!
Catch it!
I'll go this way.
I'll go that way.
So what is your new invention, Charlie? Yes, we're so excited to see it.
I mustn't spoil the surprise. You'll see it very soon.
Now, B2.
Now, B1.
Oh no, I ate some honey cake.
And I ate some too.
We better tell Charlie.
As quick as we can.
I know. This is your new invention, Charlie.
That's my instant party machine. But it's not what I want to show you.
Then this must be it.
My vacuum cleaner pants. But that's not it either. Here's my new invention. Goodness me, it's not here.
What's not there, Charlie?
My floating honey cake.
Floating honey cake?
I invented a new way to share honey cakes.
By floating them?
Precisely. You just open a window and the honey cakes float away to your friends.
Amazing!
But where is it?
We know where it is!
Bananas? Is that you? Where are you?
Up here!
Bananas?
The honey cake is in our stomachs.
Because we swallowed it!
Bananas! The honey cake wasn't meant to be eaten yet.
We're really sorry, Charlie.
It was an accident!
Dear, oh dear. Now we have to get you down.
How do we do that?
I don't know. I'll have to work on it right away.
It's going to be all right, Bananas. Charlie will get you down. Bananas? Where did they go?
The door!
Oh no, they must have floated outside.
Come back, Bananas!
Maybe floating isn't so bad after all, B2.
It's just like being a bird, B1.
Bananas, stop! Good work. Try and hang on while we think of a way to get you down.
Actually, this is lots of fun, Teddies.
Floating is pajama-rific.
But bananas aren't meant to float.
You might float away and we'll lose you forever.
Like a runaway kite! Like a kite! Hang on, Bananas. I'll be right back.
Have you finished, Morgan?
Just about there. Ready, Bananas?
Ready, Morgan.
Ready, Amy?
I think so.
Okay, Bananas, let go.
We're a banana kite.
Pajama-rific!
And now we won't lose you.
Can you take us for a float around Cuddlestown, Teddies?
Do you think we can, Lulu?
I guess so. We have to do something while we wait for Charlie.
Okay, Bananas. Here we go.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. My ladder's too short.
Hello, Rat.
Oh, hello, Bananas.
Is something wrong?
Yes, I'm trying to get a ball down from my roof, but my ladder's too... Bananas? What are you doing up there?
We're the floating bananas.
The floating kite bananas.
Oh, it's okay, Rat. There's nothing to be afraid of.
The bananas are floating because of one of Charlie's inventions.
Something we didn't mean to touch.
Or eat.
But how long are you going to float like that?
Charlie's working on a way to get them down.
In the meantime, we can get your ball.
Let out some more string, Amy.
More string it is, Bananas!
Got it.
Here it comes.
Oh, sorry, Rat.
How very handy to have you floating. Well, you could find all the lost balls of Cuddlestown. Teddies? Teddies, what did I just say?
You said the Bananas could find all the lost balls of Cuddlestown.
I knew it. I knew I said that. Oh, I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a clever, clever rat.
Maybe this is what I want. That's not what I want. Nothing I try stops the honey cakes floating. What am I to do? Oh dear. So that's it. The floating just wears off. It dropped like a rock. Which means the bananas will drop like a rock too. Oh dear, oh goodness me.
To think all this was sitting up on our roofs and we didn't even know it.
But what are you going to do with it, Rat?
I'm going to put it on display. Everyone can come and see the lost treasures of Cuddlestown.
That sounds pajama-rama.
And it will only cost 1 honey cake each.
You mean we have to pay to see our own stuff?
It will be your own specially presented stuff, Lulu. Now, must be off. Bye! How can one rat be as clever as me? You think it would be impossible? Yes, here I am.
Morgan, do you think you could reel us in now?
Floating's fun, but we're starting to feel a bit dizzy.
We'd love to get back on the ground.
Sure, Bananas.
And we should go and see Charlie.
Yes, he must have found a way to stop the floating by now.
The wind wants to blow us away!
And I can't hold them!
We'll hold you, Morgan!
Bananas! Bananas! Your floating will wear off at any moment. Teddies, you must pull them down before they drop down.
We're trying, Charlie! This is a wonderful picnic, Camembert.
Thank you, Dolly.
And so peaceful and quiet.
Hold on to us, Teddies!
We are!
Oh, good morning, Dolly. Camembert, excuse me.
Well, I never.
Never, ever.
This is terrible. Shocking.
My tummy's feeling funny.
My tummy too.
Uh-oh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's drop down time!
Now, I must find those floating bananas.
Coming down!
Ah, there they are now. Coming down.
Teddies, are you all right?
We're all right.
But the bananas...
What about them?
Here we are.
No harm done.
What a relief.
You said it, Charlie.
It was fun to float.
But it's good to be back on the ground again.
There'll be no more floating bananas and no more floating honey cakes either.
Banana-tastic.
We like our honey cakes just the way they are.
Delicious and not floating.
Oh, I ruined. Oh, cheese and whiskers!
Rat's being chased by his treasure.
His ratty treasure. Which he was going to make us pay to see. Now I think he'll pay us to take it away.
Hold that